In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Super Duolingo or Duolingo Plus on Android and iPhone. So in order to do that, I have in here this help article that can actually help us on actually creating or subscribing back or canceling as well the subscription. So to cancel your Duolingo subscription, you just need to head over first and make sure to open the application. So tap on the super icon on the top of the home screen, then tap on settings, then manage subscription from the list. You can find the option to cancel subscription, so you just need to proceed to cancel and then just proceed to confirm the cancellation through Google Play Store, App Store, or Alipay. You take note that you need to actually turn off the renewal so you will not be renewed for the next right there. So if you have it right here on your phone or device, you can follow specific instruction actually from there. If you have a desktop, you can just sign into your Duolingo account, tap on settings and select Super Duolingo and cancel a subscription from there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.